Script Start. The Mistplay shop is where you redeem units for rewards, so if the rewards vault or shop screen refuses to open, the problem can be with the app itself, your connection, or a temporary Mistplay error. Mistplay's current troubleshooting guidance recommends stopping the app, restarting your device, and clearing the app cache when the app is not behaving normally. In Mistplay Support a Wonder. Here's the quickest way to narrow it down and get the rewards vault working again. First, completely close Mistplay instead of just minimizing it. Open your Android settings, find Mistplay, select Force Stop, and then launch the app again. If the rewards vault still does not open, restart your phone and try the shop again. Mistplay specifically recommends this sequence for general app problems. Mistplay Support a Wonder. If the shop is still stuck, clear Mistplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon, tap the information button, open storage or cache, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary app data without using the same process as deleting your account. In Mistplay Support a Wonder. Next, check your connection. If Mistplay is having trouble communicating with its services, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help identify whether the network is causing the problem. Mistplay's 2026 Error Code Guidance specifically recommends switching connections for certain network-related errors. A Mistplay Support at the Winamnet. There's another thing to check. If the vault opens, but a particular reward is missing. Mistplay says reward availability can vary by region and currency, and individual offers can change or temporarily disappear from the shop. That means a missing gift card does not necessarily mean your account or units are broken. A Mistplay Support Indiction. If none of those steps work, reinstall Mistplay. Before doing that, make sure you can sign back into the same Mistplay account. Mistplay lists uninstalling and reinstalling as part of its general troubleshooting process. Mistplay Support a Wonder. So the practical order is simple. Force stop Mistplay, restart your phone, clear the cache, test another network, and then reinstall if necessary. If the rewards vault still will not open, contact Mistplay support and include a screenshot of the problem or any error code you see. Mistplay specifically asks users to provide error details when troubleshooting unresolved issues. Mistplay Support went soon. If this fixed the rewards vault problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.